Rumi, baby was walking along the road. A soft breeze was blowing, and the leaves on the trees were moving gently. Suddenly she saw a tiny bird. The bird was very beautiful, with shiny and colorful wings. Rumi, baby, started running behind the bird. She tried very carefully to catch it. The bird flew a little, then sat on the ground again. After trying for a long time, Rumi, baby, finally caught the little bird. Rumi was very happy. She gently held the bird and said, "Don't be scared, I am your friend." And Rumi, baby, took the bird home. After bringing it home, she gave it a nice bath. She took a small bowl of clean water and softly washed its wings. At first the bird was afraid, but after hearing Rumi's sweet voice, it became calm. After the bath, Rumi dried the bird with a soft cloth. Then she brought cotton and soft fabric from her toy box and made a small, cozy bed for the bird. Rumi said, "I will name you Tuku." The bird chirped, chirp, chirp, as if it liked the name. Rumi gave Tuku some grains and water.